Hey guys, it's two fly travel adventures, two fly for the games, man. My last day. I'm at the Marriott. I'm doing a room review right now. It's been a pretty good hotel. You got a camera. You have a camera up here if you need the camera, just in case. Room service. I'm gonna take you guys in the room to check out the room, see what the room look like. You got a nice living room set up. Now, if you into places that's more like apartments, then this will probably be your fit. I mean, I like it because it kind of gives me the mini apartment feel. You got your table right here. If you have a laptop, if you're working from, from overseas, or if your job is online, you can set up right here. Laptop lifestyle, whatever you do. Over here, you have your stove. You got kitchen appliances, you got pots and stuff in the cabinets right here. You have a microwave right here that you unplug and you plug up when you want to use it. You have a nice refrigerator that stay cold. Works pretty good. I've been enjoying it. It frees things right away. It'll freeze your alcohol if you put it in there. Ice box. Then if you turn over here, you have your setup. You have your little living room setup with your couch, curtains. You got a nice little table right here. 2 chairs. You have a little company. You have a balcony that you can see as you see it, with the whole little pool set up. We'll go out there and check out that in a minute. Let you guys check out the bathroom. The whole bathroom set up. Nice bathroom set up, stand-up shower, toilet. Got your sink area right here. And we are at the Margaritas Hotel and Restaurant. Now, if you want to go to your room through here, you can through the bathroom. But right here we have the room, which has a door also. So it's like 3 doors. Check out the TV. You got a little spot where you can keep all your stuff, a little drawer right here. AC works pretty good. If you want to air out your whole apartment when you come back in from being out there, because it's real humid out here, guys. You can close this door up. So when you come back, you come in this room, it's be ice cold, or you can leave the door open and, just let your apartment or unit air out. But it works pretty good. You got the bed area. You got 2 little desks next to you with lamps. Pretty nice bed. Comfortable bed. I had a good time here. I don't got no complaints as far as me being comfortable. Pretty comfortable bed. You got a 3-way closet right here. Glass closet with mirrors. Glass mirrors, as you can see. And you have a safe too over here. If you want to put some of your valuables up, you have a safe. Pretty good setup. Pretty good setup. Like I say, overall, I would give this place a 1 out of 10. I would give it an 8. You get fresh towels every 2 days. They come and give you toilet paper. If you need your clothes washed, they'll wash your clothes for 400 pesos. The cleaning ladies here, they've been great. There's just been a couple little issues I had or whatever. So, but besides that, it's been pretty good. I would come back here and stay. You got a little mini pool out here. Let you guys see the pool area out here. little patio setup. So if you have your little lady friend over here, y'all can have you can have a drink, enjoy the little view. This the only downside about this place. The pool area is not really all that big, not all, But, I mean, you can go to the beach. You don't really need to go to the pool. So, with that being said, hotel to stay at. I paid $700 for the whole month, so pretty cool. Nice size section. You come out here with one of your lady friends or whatever, have a couple drinks. One of your friends or partners. Like I said, I give this place overall 8 out of 10. You got a lot of other good areas out here. Like I said, you got the Europa, you got the Terra Linda. But like I say, with the Terra Linda and the Europa rooms, they're much smaller. And you don't give you that apartment feel. But they have other things just better, like the pool areas. They got bars. So Europa has a bar up front. Terra Linda has a pretty good restaurant, but this place has a good restaurant as well. So it's just whatever you really want to do. But just showing you guys where I've been staying at for the whole month. Hope you guys like the little spot. If you do, it's called Margaritas Hotel. You can look it up online, I'm pretty sure. And if you can't find it that way, just remember the Margot restaurant. So that's it, guys. Finna go down to the beach since it's my last day. Hang out for a little while. Come back, put my feet in this water, this pool, and it's a wrap. But I will be back. Believe that.